Hello, my friend. I'm so happy you're here. Welcome to Kunzy In English. My name is Nasa, and today I have something special for you. A short story. A peaceful, lovely story. And inside that story, you will find English. Simple English. Beautiful English. You will listen, you will repeat, and you will feel more confident. Step by step, word by word. So take a deep breath, smile, and get ready. Let's begin. The story of Emma. This is a story about Emma. Emma is 28 years old. She is a teacher. She loves her job, and she loves helping children learn. Emma lives in London, not in a big house. She lives in a small apartment. It's simple, but it's warm, quiet, and full of light. Every morning, Emma wakes up at 6:30. She opens her eyes, she smiles, and she whispers softly, "Today is a good day." She doesn't check her phone. She doesn't rush. She just takes a deep breath and feels grateful. Then she gets out of bed. She walks slowly to the kitchen. The room is still quiet. Outside, the city is just waking up. She drinks a glass of water, cold, fresh water. It wakes her body. It gives her energy. Then she makes a cup of coffee. She loves coffee. Not too strong, not too sweet. Just coffee with a little milk. She holds the warm cup in her hands and takes a slow, happy sip. After her coffee, Emma takes a shower. She uses warm water. The water touches her skin and she feels fresh. She feels calm. She feels ready. She brushes her teeth carefully, slowly. And she dries her hair, smiling. Then Emma gets dressed. She wears a white shirt, clean, simple, professional, and black pants. She stands in front of the mirror, looks into her own eyes, and says with confidence, "I am ready." Now, it's time for breakfast. Emma makes a simple breakfast, 2 eggs, 1 slice of toast, and a banana. She sits at the table, no phone, no noise. She eats slowly, she enjoys each bite, and as she eats, she feels calm. She feels strong. She feels happy. At 7:30, Emma takes her bag. She puts on her shoes, she opens the door, and steps outside. The morning air touches her face. It's cool, fresh, and peaceful. She walks to the bus stop, step by step, not fast, not slow, just present. She looks at the sky, blue and wide. She sees the trees, green and full of life. She hears the birds singing gently in the morning light, and she smiles, because this is a beautiful morning. And Emma is ready for her day. Vocabulary practice. Now, my friend, let's take a moment to learn some beautiful words from today's story. Take a deep breath, relax, and listen carefully. Wake up. Wake up means to open your eyes in the morning, when you stop sleeping and start your day. Let's say it slowly. Wake up. Again, wake up. Good job. Example, I wake up at 6:30 every day. You try, I wake up at 6:30. Nice. Shower. A shower is when you wash your body with water, usually warm water. It helps you feel fresh and clean. Let's say it together. Shower. Again, a little slower. Shower. Perfect. Example, I take a shower every morning. Now I take a shower every morning. Very good. Fresh means clean, new, full of energy. When you feel good inside and ready for the day, that's fresh. Repeat after me. Fresh. Again, fresh. Yes. Example, after my shower, I feel fresh. Now say it with me. After my shower, I feel fresh. Excellent. Toast. Toast is bread, but not soft bread. It's hot and crispy. We cook it in a toaster, and it smells delicious. Let's say it slowly. Toast. Good. Again, toast. Example, I eat toast for breakfast. Try it. I eat toast for breakfast. Well done. Bag a bag is something you carry things in. You put your books, your lunch, your phone in your bag. Then you take it with you. Let's say it. Bag. Again, bag. Very nice. Example, I put my books in my bag. Your turn. I put my books in my bag. Great work. Now let's say them all again. One more time together. Wake up. Shower. Fresh. toast, bag. Repeat after me slowly. Wake up, shower, fresh, toast, beautiful. You're doing amazing. These are simple words, but powerful. Use them. Practice them. Make them your own. You're learning English and you're doing it with love, care, and joy. Follow-up practice. Repeat after Nasa with feeling. Now let's practice together. You will listen and repeat after me. Nice and slow. Let's do it. Emma wakes up at 6:30. Emma wakes up at 6:30. Yes, one more time. Emma wakes up at 6:30. Perfect. She makes a cup of coffee. Nice and slow now. She makes a cup of coffee. Again, feel the rhythm. She makes a cup of coffee. Very good. She takes a shower and brushes her teeth. Say it with me. She takes a shower and brushes her teeth. One more time, with energy. She takes a shower and brushes her teeth. Well done. She eats breakfast slowly. Again, she eats breakfast slowly. Let's feel it. She eats breakfast slowly. Yes, beautiful work. She walks to the bus stop feeling happy. Now say it with a smile. She walks to the bus stop feeling happy. One more time, like you mean it. She walks to the bus stop feeling happy. Fantastic. Well done, my friend. You spoke clearly. You spoke with heart. And every time you practice, you get better, stronger, and more confident. Keep going. You're doing amazing. I'm proud of you. Q&A. Practice. Let's activate your speaking. Now, my friend, it's your turn to speak. I will ask you some questions. Please answer them out loud. Don't worry if you make a mistake. Just try your best. Let's begin. Question 1. What time does Emma wake up? She wakes up at 6:30. Awesome. Let's keep going. Question 2. What does she drink in the morning? She drinks water and coffee. Yes. You're doing great. Question 3. What does she eat for breakfast? She eats eggs, toast, and a banana. Great job. Let's go to the next one. Question 4. How does she feel in the morning? She feels happy and calm. Very good. Just one more. Question 5. Where does she go at 7:30? She goes to the bus stop. Wow, that was amazing. You answered, you spoke, and you did it all in English. Keep going. Keep practicing. Every time you speak, your English grows, and I'm right here with you. Every step of the way. You're not just learning English, you're becoming confident. You're becoming fluent, and I believe in you. You did amazing today. You listened, you repeated, you learned, and most importantly, you spoke English. Keep going. Your English is getting better, my friend. Step by step, word by word. You are doing it. I'm so proud of you, and I know you can achieve your goals. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. You are stronger than you think. Thank you for learning with me today. This is Nasa from Kunzy In English. I'm excited to see you again soon. See you next time. Bye-bye, my friend. You got this.